When replacing the side Velcro piece here, you want to start with a small screwdriver or a hook, something very small. You want to get into the corner of the Velcro. It's in there pretty good, so you're going to have to do some working and peeling. Once you break it loose, just a little, you can grab it with your finger and it will peel off very easily. Take a 3 1/4 inch long piece of Velcro that we will supply to you. And place it where the other one used to be. This new Velcro is much better than the original and will give you a much better bind. It's not coming off. For the top strap, when this Velcro goes bad, take it out completely. You're going to get these clips, open it up, just put your finger right in that hook there. It's a good way to remember how to hold it. Take your strap, go through the first hole here. Take it, bend it back down. Go back through. Then you'll take it, go straight back through. Make sure there's no twists in it. And you can slide this around however you need to. If you're not getting any grab from this at all, you can go ahead snip that little top part off to where it gets stiff. Will make this next part a lot easier. You got to push that just about horizontal with the other part. And work it through. Press down to clasp.